Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic: artificial intelligence and machine learning, and how they actually learn. You've probably heard these terms thrown around, but do you really know how AI gets smarter? Let's break it down. Part 1. What is AI and machine learning? First things first, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI refers to machines or software designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Things like recognizing faces, understanding speech, and even driving cars. But here's the thing, AI doesn't come with a built-in understanding of how to do all these tasks. It needs to learn how to perform them. This is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on how machines can learn from data to make decisions, predictions, or take actions without being explicitly programmed for each task. Think of it like this: imagine you're teaching a child to identify animals. Instead of showing the child a list of rules about what makes a cat or a dog, you show them a bunch of pictures. Over time, they figure out the difference by recognizing patterns. That's how machine learning works, but instead of a child, we have an algorithm. Part 2. The basic idea: how AI learns. So how does an AI actually learn from all that data? Let's go a little deeper. At its core, machine learning is about training an algorithm using data. Here's the process in 3 steps. Step 1. Data collection. First, you gather data. And I mean a lot of data. Whether it's images, text, or numbers, the more data you feed into the system, the better it gets. Imagine you're training an AI to recognize cats. You'd feed it thousands of images, some with cats, some without. These images will be labeled, so the AI knows what's a cat and what isn't. Step 2. Training. Next, the machine begins to train. This means it starts finding patterns in the data. It looks for features in the images, like the shape of ears, the curve of a tail, or the pattern of fur. It doesn't understand what a cat is yet, but it starts making guesses based on the features it sees. Step 3. Testing and improving. Once the AI has trained on this data, it's time to test it. You give it a new set of images it hasn't seen before, and the AI makes predictions. Is this image of a cat or not? If the prediction is wrong, the algorithm adjusts itself to do better next time. This process of testing and tweaking happens over and over again, and slowly but surely, the AI gets better at identifying cats. This cycle of learning from data, testing, and improving is machine learning in action. Part 3. Types of machine learning. Now, machine learning isn't just one thing. There are actually a few different types of machine learning. Let's take a quick look at the 3 main types. 1. Supervised learning. This is the most common type. In supervised learning, the machine learns from labeled data. So, if we're teaching the AI to recognize cats, we'd give it labeled examples. This is a cat, this is not a cat, and so on. The AI uses these labels to learn the correct patterns. 2. Unsupervised learning. With unsupervised learning, the machine learns from unlabeled data. There are no correct answers provided. So the machine has to figure things out on its own. For example, the AI might be given a bunch of pictures with no labels, and it will try to group similar images together. This is often used for clustering data or finding hidden patterns in large datasets. 3. Reinforcement learning. Finally, there's reinforcement learning. This is the type of learning where the AI learns through trial and error. Imagine training a robot to walk. At first, it doesn't know how to balance, so it falls down. But every time it moves a little bit forward or stands up correctly, it gets a reward, something like a point or a positive feedback loop. Over time, it learns the right moves to make in order to get the highest rewards. Part 4. Real-world applications of AI learning. So, why does this all matter? Well, AI and machine learning are revolutionizing industries all around us. Here are just a few examples. Healthcare. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical data to detect diseases like cancer earlier than humans can. They are trained on thousands of medical images, learning to identify patterns and make accurate predictions. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars rely heavily on AI and machine learning. These cars are constantly learning from their environment, recognizing obstacles, signs, and traffic patterns to make decisions on the road. Recommendation systems. Ever wonder how Netflix or YouTube knows what you want to watch next? That's machine learning in action. By analyzing your past choices and comparing them to other users, AI predicts what you might like to see next. Natural language processing. Machines can now understand and generate human language. That's how you get voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, which get smarter over time by learning from the way you speak. Part 5. Challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, AI and machine learning come with their own set of challenges. For one, bias can creep into algorithms if the training data isn't diverse enough. This can lead to unfair outcomes in things like hiring or loan approval. Another big issue is the explainability of AI decisions. Sometimes, AI models, especially complex ones like deep learning, work in ways that are hard to understand, which can be a problem if the AI is making decisions that affect people's lives. And we can't ignore the ethical concerns surrounding AI. As AI gets smarter, there are debates about its impact on jobs, privacy, and even human autonomy. Should machines be allowed to make life-changing decisions, like diagnosing diseases or controlling weapons? These are important questions, and as AI continues to evolve, we need to keep thinking about how to use it responsibly. To sum it all up, artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming the way we interact with the world. Through learning from data, AI systems are becoming more capable, more intelligent, and more involved in our daily lives. And while we're still a long way from machines becoming truly intelligent like humans, the progress we're making is astounding. If you're fascinated by AI like I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you want to dive deeper into any of the topics we covered today. Thanks for watching.